Mataji.
Good afternoon, Mataji. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yes, good afternoon. Yes. Had you finished your lunch?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, last class, what we have learned?
About national symbols.
National symbols. What are the
National
international symbols? What we have learned?
National emblem, national
anthem. National
Yes.
anthem, national flag.
Okay. So,
diversity.
integration about what we have learned? Yes.
Mataji struck ಆಯ್ತು. Unity in diversity.
Population diversity.
Yes. Unity in diversity, population diversity, natural diversity, biodiversity. Yes. So, another thing is, we have learnt our Karnataka lesson, Bengaluru division. Everything you have written the classwork.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Now everyone switched off your mobile. Sorry, switched off your mic. Okay. Okay.
Okay, Mataji.
So Bengaluru division, we learnt about the unique features and districts and what are the famous in this division. Yes or not? So today we are going to learn one more division, that is Mysore division, children. Mysore, it is ruled by Mysore Wadayars, Vijayanagara empires, then Hoysalas, Tippu Sultan and Hyder Ali, then Hoysalas, okay, Cholas, Chalukyas. So many rulers, they were ruled here, children. What is that? So many rulers they have ruled. Okay, what are the rulers? Who are the rulers? Vijayanagara empires as well as Wadayars, Tippu Sultan, Hyder Ali, Gangas, Cholas and the Hoysalas, they were ruled in this Mysore division. And there is a Talakadu, it was the capital of Gangas, children. What is that? Talakadu, it was the capital of Gangas. During the time of Gangas, they were ruled. Okay. So afterwards, what happened? Up to the 1961, Wadayars, they were ruled. During this time, British people, they were giving the torture for the Wadayars. Why? Because Chikkavira Rajendra Wadayar was the weak ruler during the time of Mysore Wadayars. Okay. So what happened here? Afterwards, one side there is a Hyder Ali and Tippu Sultan also. They were started to ruling. During that time, Tippu, he wanted to remove the British rules in India, especially Karnataka. Those Karnataka people, they are getting the trouble from the British people. Here, Mysore already it was under the Tippu Sultan. So that Tippu Sultan and the Hyder Ali, they were started to stopping means removing the British rule in Karnataka. Okay, because Mysore Wadayars, during the time of Mysore Wadayars, there were 4 Anglo-Mysore war was started. with the Tipu Sultan also, as well as Marathas also, as well as British people also, and the Wadayars also. So these four people, they were started because of the Mysore provinces, Kedadi provinces, Mysore provinces, and Kodagu, Dakshin Kannada, Udupi. So these are all they wanted, British people, they wanted to occupy. Okay. And another thing is, in this Mysuru division, again it is having a 8 district, children. What is that? How many it is? 8 districts. What are the districts we can see now? What are the districts? Is here Udupi, Chikmagaluru, then what is that?
Dakshina Kannada.
Dakshina Kannada.
Yes, children. Is it? Can you see here? Udupi, Chikmagaluru, then Dakshin Kannada, Hasan, Kodagu, and Mysuru, Mandya. Okay, Mandya is here. Hasan, Mysore, Kodagu, Dakshin Kannada, and what is that? Dakshin Kannada, Udupi, Chikmagaluru. So there is a 8 district. It is in the Mysore region, children. What is that? Yes. Any problem?
Chamarajanagara.
Yes. Another one is Chamarajanagara. What is that? Chamarajanagara. Mysore division. Already they have given in your textbook also. Howda? You have drawn the picture. Yes or not? In this Mysore division, we are having 8 districts. Alva? So these 8 districts about we are all going to learn. What are the districts? Udupi, Chikmagaluru, Dakshin Kannada, Hasan, Kodagu, Chamarajanagara, and Mysuru. Okay, all about we are going to learn in this lesson, children. First, I will ask you, what are the speciality? Have you seen that Mysore Palace, children?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Mysore, yes. Mysore Palace you have seen, isn't it? Apart from that, what else are there in the speciality? What are the specialities in the Mysore division? Which are the specialities? So many temples.
Chamundi Betta.
Very good. Chamundi Hills. Yes?
Chamundi Betta, Mysore Palace.
Then Shravanabelagola Gomateshwara statue. It is a monolith statue, means a single rock they have done. Okay. What is that? That statue, it was made by single monolith rock, so that it is called monolith idol. Okay. Apart from that, during the time of Hoysalas, they were ruled Beluru Halebeedu. So there we can see, in the Belur we can see the lots of idols. Okay, like what you call that? What is that? Shilabalikegalu. Okay. Then what else are there in the? Please switch off your mic, children. Illandre struck ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Mic ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, so during the time of Mysore, in the ancient time, how Mysore came to Mysore name came to Mysore. Okay, before that it was called, during the ancient time it was called Mahisha Mandala. What is that? Mahisha Nadu or Mahisha Mandala. Okay, because of the Mahishasura, he was a evil, andre Rakshasa alva. So he was defeating with the goddesses Parvati. Okay, goddesses Parvati, she was killed the Mahishasura in the form of Chamundeshwari. Okay, andre Parvati, goddesses Parvati idalalla, avಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರನ್ನ ಚಾಮುಂಡೇಶ್ವರಿ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಸಾಯಿಸ್ತಾಳೆ. Okay, so that it is called Mahisha Mandala or Mahisha Nadu. But after that, Mysore, that Mahishasura where he was killed, so that it is in Mysore, isn't it? So that they have given the Mahishanadu name. A Mahishanadu name ge yen kodtare? Mysore. Okay. So like that, Mysuru name came to Mysore. Okay. Mysore, it is having a Mysore division. It is having a 8 district. Okay. And so many famous things in the all the district also. For example, if you are taking Udupi, there is a Astamathas. So not Sri Krishna Mathas. There is a Kanakana Kindi. It is famous. Then Dakshin Kannada, if you will go, means Shravana Hasan, you will go, means Shravana Belagoda. Then Dakshina Kannada, Dharmasthala. Yes or not? Then what else are there? And so many beaches and the Alpe, like that, beaches, ports, and wildlife sanctuaries are there in the Mysore division. Okay. So here what happened during the time, Andre Yaduvira, Yaduvira, not Yaduraya, he was the first ruler of Mysore, children. Who's that? Yaduraya, he was the first ruler of Mysore, Wadayars, during the time of Wadayars. Before that, Mysore kingdom, it was ruled by the Vijaya Empire. What happened? Somebody, Satvik, switch off the mic. Yes, Mysore, it was ruled by Yaduraya. First, Yaduraya, he was the first Wadayar. Okay, after that, so many Wadayars, Jai Chamarajendra Wadayar, Chikkavira Rajendra Wadayar, Krishnaraja Wadayar. In that, Krishnaraja Wadayar 6th and 4th, like that, so many Wadayars, they were ruled Mysuru division. Means Mysuru division, it is under by the Keladi, Kodagu, Dakshin Kannada, Udupi. Okay, so these are all the districts it was ruled by Mysore Wadayars. But during the time of 1961, Hyder Ali, he came from Hyderabad, okay, and he wanted to conquer the Mysore, okay, so that up to Second Anglo-Mysore War, means British and the Mysore Wadayars, British and the Hyder Ali, these two members, they were defeated one another. Okay. Then the third and the fourth war, it is defeated with the Tippu Sultan. So that Tippu Sultan, while he was dying, they told that even British people only, they said that he was a tiger of Mysore. So like that, he was very famous, Tippu Sultan. During the time of Hyder Ali and Tippu Sultan, they made their capital at Srirangpattana. Mysore, they were ruled, but their home or their capital, where it was, it is Srirangpattana. Okay, so Srirangpattana, they have established the Hyder Ali's tomb and Darya Daulat. These are all the what do you call that, mahal. Okay, so during the time of summer season, Tippu, he wanted to go to Nandi Hills. Why? Because Nandi Hills, always they are getting the cool weather. Okay, so during that time means when he was in Srirangpattana, so that time, summer time, he used to go to Nandi Hills. Okay, so afterwards, what happened? 1791, British people with Tippu Sultan, there were 4th Anglo-Mysore War started. Okay, Anglo means who's British people. So during this time, Tippu, he was died. Okay, then after that, again British people, they were given the administration to the Mysore Wadayars. Means they are handed over to the Mysore Wadayars. But here what happened? 4 regions. Regionally, it was divided. Mysore kingdom one side British people, one side Marathas, and another side these Mysore Wadayars, they were started to rule. Okay, but Mysore, after that, what happened? Chikkavira Rajendra Wadayar, he last ruler. Once again, that Mysore, it is handed over to the British people. Okay, so because of he was a weak ruler. Okay, for that reason, again it was shifted to British people. Then once again, means during the time of Chamarajendra Wadayar and the Krishnaraja Wadayar time, okay, Krishnaraja Wadayar IV, during that time, again British people, they were handed over to the Krishnaraja Wadayar. Okay, then Krishnaraja Wadayar, he was well-known ruler of this Mysore Wadayar. Okay, during that time, Sir M. Vishweshwaraya and what is that? Sir Mirza Ismail, yaru? Sir M. Vishweshwaraya and Sir Mirza Ismail, during the time of Krishnaraja Wadayar IV, andre 4ನೇ Krishnaraja Wadayar time alli. Okay, they were the financial advisor, means diwan anta karitare avarana, yen karitare diwan. Okay, so they were the diwan of fourth what is that Krishnaraja Wadayar IV. Okay, during the time of Krishnaraja Wadayar IV, who become a diwan? Sir Mirza Ismail and Sir M. Vishweshwaraya. During that time, they have given the more importance for the culture, education, health, and another thing is irrigational facilities for the people of that Mysore division. So that during the time of Krishnadevaraja Wadayar IV, Sir M. Vishweshwaraya, he was an engineer also, scientist also, as well as a diwan. He worked as a diwan in the Mysore kingdom. Okay, so during that time, he built a KRS dam across the Kaveri river. It is in Mandya district. Okay, Mandya district andre Srirangapattanada hatra ನಾವು ಏನ್ ನೋಡಬಹುದು, ಮಂಡ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀರಂಗಪಟ್ಟಣ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಶ್ರೀರಂಗಪಟ್ಟಣದ ಹತ್ರ, ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ಶ್ರೀರಂಗಪಟ್ಟಣ, you can see the KRS dam, children. Understood? So it is in Mandya district. Apart from that, during the time of Krishnaraja Wadayar IV, he was given the more importance to the education, children, especially those who are in the backward, means SC ST people, avagella SC ST people ತುಂಬಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತವ್ರಿಗೆ. they have started to Dalit school, and for them they have given a good education, free educations they have started. And during the Mysore Wadayar's time, andre Krishnadevaraja Wadayar time, Swami Vivekananda also, he came to Mysore, children. Understood? So palace also during the time of Krishnadevaraja Wadayar, it was built perfectly. Means before that means before the British period, it was in the wooden. Okay, what is that palace? It was in the wooden, but now it is means during the time of Krishnaraja Wadayar fourth, andre 4ನೇ Krishnaraja Wadayar time alli ಈ ಮೈಸೂರು ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ಟಲಾಯಿತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಐರನ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ that is a beautiful palace we can see in Mysore. Yes or not? Then apart from that, during the time of Dasara festivals, because Dasara festivals started by the Vijayanagara Empire. Understood? Afterwards, their chieftains, who are the chieftains? Mysore Wadayars were the chieftains of the Vijayanagara Empire. Okay, so these Dasara festivals and the Deepavali festivals, again it is continued in the Mysore kingdom, Mysore Wadayars also. So they will go to the Chamundi hills and they were started to Prarthana. So they were started to doing the puja, and 9 days they are celebrating. Here we can see the what else we can see is culture, grand culture we can see in this time. Yes or not? During the time of Dasara festivals, isn't it or not? Then what else are there? What are the speciality according to the district wise also we will learn, children. And another thing is, I have to tell you, British people, during the time of British people, they were called the Kenara. Dakshin Kannada ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಡುಪಿನ ಏನ್ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ರು? They were called Kenara, and they were divided Kenara district into North Kenara and South Kenara. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡ and Dakshin Kannada, like that they were divided and given the name Kenara. Okay, but during the time of 1997, Udupi district, it came separately from Dakshin Kannada, isn't it or not? Yes. Then apart from that, they have given a more importance during the time of Odayars. They have given a more importance for the health, andre people health, andre aga malaria ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತಂತೆ, ಏನೋ ಧೈರ್ಯ, like that disease, even monkey disease, these are all almost surrounding, especially Shivamogga region anta nanu helidde alva. So like that disease they have to control, isn't it or not? For that reason they have established Mysore government, they were established the rural sub health centers. Each and every rural area they were established the rural health center. Apart from that, they have given the two health center, they are indicator, they are called that indicator. These indicator indicating to the health, so that is, one is maternity, another one is children, andre children specialty and maternity specialty. They have given the hospital, they have given the hospitals. Okay, apart from that, education, I already said that, isn't it or not? Mysuru Vishwavidyalaya, what is that? Mysore University, it is the oldest university during the time of Odayar's children. Got it? Andre Sir M. Vishweshwaraya during the time of Diwan. So that time Mysore University, it was established. Okay, so that was a well-known and the oldest university, and it is completed 100 years also. Okay, and apart from that, so many resource centers, technologies, everything, it is in the Mysore division, especially Mangaluru. Yes or not? Dakshin Kannadadalli Mangaluru is a famous educational center, even Mysore also, isn't it or not? Apart from that, what we can learn, okay, there were the two major fishing grounds in Udupi district. What is that? Udupi and Dakshin Kannada, we can see that they were depending upon the agriculture as well as the fishing activities. Okay, then dairy. Okay, that was the major occupations of this division people, especially fishing activities. It is going on only in the Malpe, andre near the Udupi and the Dakshin Kannada, and all other district, it is, they were depending upon the agriculture. What type of the agriculture they are growing? What type of the crops they are growing? Em crops belitare? Okay, paddy, ragi, then maize, then groundnut, then these are the means cereals and the pulses. These are the crops they are growing. Apart from that, in the Mysore division, Nanjanagudu anta place ide alva. So Nanjanagudalli orange amis, it is famous. Okay, then Kodagu also. Matte innenide, yeah, Nanjanagudina Rasabale anta ಒಂದು ಹಾಡೆ ಇದೆ. Nanjanagudu, it is famous for ರಸಬಾಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣು. ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕರ್ತಾರೆ, ರಸಬಾಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ banana. So that banana is famous. Then Kodagu, it is orange. Like that, Chikmagaluru and the Chikmagaluru, it is coffee. Is that coffee? Then tea estate also we can see in Chikmagaluru. Yes or not? Next, another thing is, what else are there? Which are the rivers is flowing here? Kaveri, Hemavati, Kumudvati, Shimsha river, then Harangi. So these are all the river. Netravati, Kumaradhara, Yagachi, okay, Gangoli. So like that, the rivers, it is flowing in the Mysore division. In that Kaveri river, we can see the dam, KRS dam, across the Kaveri river at Srirangpattana in the Mandya district. We can see that, yes or not? Then another thing is, children, here one of the name is there. What is that? Chamarajanagara. Why its name came Chamarajanagara? Why? Because Chamarajendra Odayar, he has given the name to this. Before that, it was called Arikutara. What is that? Chamarajanagara, it is called Arikutara. So after that, Chamaraja Odayar, when he was taken in charge of Odayar's time, he has given, because of his father, he has given Jayachamarajendra Odayar, he has given the name of Chamarajanagara because Jayachamarajendra Odayara appa yaragidru Chamaraja Odayar. Okay, so that on his father name he has given to Chamarajanagara. Okay, children. Then so many mountains and the hills, tallest hills and the mountains, it is famous, especially in the Hassan district. Shravanabelagoda you have seen, isn't it or not? That is called Chandragiri and the Indragiri. Opposite one the edrige one betta ide adu. Okay, what is that? Chandragiri and the Indragiri hills. Okay, apart from that, Male Mahadeshwara betta or Male Mahadeshwara hills. Then Gopala Swami, Himavad Gopala Swami hills. Okay, then Biligiri Rangana hills. Okay, so these are all it is famous hills we can see that, children. And Chamundi hills. Yes, while we are going to Chamundi hills, we will see the what is that hills station we are going, isn't it or not? Chamundi hills. So here Himavad Gopala Swami betta andre Himavad anta yake hesaru bantu aa Gopala Swami betta, it is in the Chamarajanagar. Chamarajanagar. Okay, so Chamarajanagar district we can see that. What is that? Himavad Gopala Swami. ಆ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೀವು ಮೋಡ ಹೋಗೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಆ ತರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಂಜು ಅಷ್ಟು ಉದ್ರಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಮ, ಸ್ನೋಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೋಡಗಳು ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇರತ್ತಲ್ವ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮೇಲ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಮವದ್ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಮೋಡ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇರತ್ತಂತೆ, ಆ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ famous of Himavad Gopala Swami hills. Okay, children. Then another thing is Kemmangundi. Yes, Kemmangundi, Baba Budangiri, these are all famous in this district. Alva Kemmangundi kelidiralva. So Kemmangundi, there is a manganese and iron ore they are getting, children. Okay, so apart from that, so many minerals in this division, children. Felsite, bauxite, chromite and manganese. Okay, limestone. So these are all the minerals it is getting in this division. Then so many forest, Pushpagiri Wildlife Sanctuary they have done in the, and Male Mahadeshwara Wildlife Sanctuary, Ranganatittu Bird Sanctuary, Ulvi Bird Sanctuary. These are all we can see the means protection of animals and the birds, means they are controlling the biodiversity here. Okay, so what is that? They are protecting the birds and the animals. Because of that they have done a wildlife sanctuaries as well as the birds sanctuaries. What are that? Ranganatittu, Gurvi. Then another thing is, what is that? Yes, Bandipur, Nagarhole. Here we can see the national park as well as the wildlife sanctuaries and Bhadra wildlife sanctuaries. These three are, they are having the tiger project, means they wanted to save a tiger in this zone where it is Bandipur, Nagarhole and Bhadra. These three were the wildlife project because of saving the tiger. Okay, so next one is, children, what type of the climatical conditions and what type of the trees we are all getting in this division? Teak, matti, then honge, sandalwood. Apart from that, what else are there? Yes, matti, honge and sandalwood, then teak wood. Okay, so these are all the types of the trees. Then ebony, mahogany, peepal tree, banyan tree. So many tallest and the largest, biggest trees we can see, creepers, climbers, like that. Forest, especially Chamarajanagar, Mysore, then Udupi, Dakshin Kannada, it is having lots of forest, children. Okay, even Kodagu also. So Kodagu, and another thing is Kodagu, it is the birth of Kaveri river. What is that? Kaveri river elli huttide? Kodagu Brahmagiri hills anta ide. So a Brahmagiri hills alli Kaveriya ugamavagutte. That is called Talakaveri. What is that? Talakaveri. It is in the Kodagu district. Okay, so Kaveri's birth origin. Okay, then apart from that, the climatical conditions. So Udupi, Dakshin Kannada, they are having the warm condition at the daytime, and the night time they are having the cool weather. Means they are having the climatical condition humid. It is called humid, HUMID. Okay, so that humidity condition it is there. Then Udupi it is having a hot type of the climatical area, as well as Mysore it is having the cool place. Then what else are there? Mandya, it is getting the lowest rainfall. Udupi it is getting the highest rainfall. Okay, so that was the climatical conditions. And another thing is Kodagu. Dasan Gowda, what happened? Yes, so these are all the speciality or natural resources available in this division. What are the natural resources? It may be forest, wildlife sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries, and the what do you call that? Forests, trees, minerals, water resources, joke falls or dams. So these are all, it is dams, okay, man-made, but these are all the natural natural resources we are getting in this division, children. Understood? So another thing is in the Mandya, children, Mandya it is famous for sugar, as well as Banneru, what do you call it? Bannuru sheep. It is famous in the Mandya district. What is that? Bannuru sheep, as well as another andre Bannur kuri anta heltare alva. So that is Bannuru sheep, it is famous. Then another thing is in the Mandya what we are getting? Srirangapatna, it is there. In the Srirangapatna, Hyder Ali and Tippu Sultan, they made a Darya Daulat alva. Then what else are there? Dam, KRS dam is there. Then sugar factory we can see, sugar and the cement factory we can see in Mandya district. Okay, okay, children. So next we will go about the Chikmagaluru. Chikmagaluru, what else are there? Coffee, I already said that. What is that? Coffee and the tea estate, we can see that. Then coca kelidiralla, so coca crops they are growing. These are all the, and Mandya district sugarcane. So these are all the crops they are growing for business purpose. Okay, apart from that, ragi, paddy, maize, these are all their staple food of Mysuru division, children. Understood? Then another thing is in the Udupi district there is a Bajpe. What is that? In the Dakshin Kannada and the Udupi district, Bajpe it is the place. Udupi nalli hege Malpe ide alla hage illi Bajpe anta ide. Then Dakshin Kannada there is a Navamangaluru port andre enu hadagu nillo sthala alva. So where there is a ship is taking the rest. Yes, that is called means where there is a ship is standing or the lying. What do you call that? Yes, Dakshina Kannada, Bajpe, it is one of the place there is the forts. Then Navamangaluru forts is a famous. Then Dharmasthala it is famous. Apart from that, in Dakshin Kannada there is a Mudabidri. Mudabidri, we can see that 1,000-pillared basadi. What is that? 1,000-pillared basadi, we can see that. Okay, then another thing is Hasana. I already said that Hoysala time, during the time of Hoysala, they made the capital at Halebeedu and Beluru, means it is called Dwarasamudra. Okay, so these Halebeedu, Beluru, we can say that Channakeshwara temple, Somanatheshwara temple, Hoysaleshwara temple. Okay, then apart from that, in the Hasan, Gomateshwara, Shamanabelagoda, Gomateshwara we can, that is a single monolith rock. Here, 12 years once we can see the Mahamastabhisheka. Andre Bahubali, sorry, yeah, Gomateshwara ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಗೊಮ್ಮಟೇಶ್ವರನಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 12 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಅವ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಪಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಂತೆ, ರಾಜರಾದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ, ತಪಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಬೆಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು, ಚಂದ್ರಗಿರಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವರಿಗೆ 12 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ he removed everything alva, even the cloth also he was removed, isn't it or not? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಸೆ ದುಃಖಕ್ಕೆ ಮೂಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಬುದ್ಧ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಗೊಮ್ಮಟೇಶ್ವರ ಕೂಡ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ಏನೇನೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಬಂದು ತಪಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ. So that it is built by single monolith rock, as well as the 12 years once they are holding the festivals, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಹಾಮಸ್ತಾಭಿಷೇಕ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ. Okay, then Kodagu, I already said that Talakaveri, it is a birthplace of the Kaveri, one thing. And in the Kodagu, they are called that Kodavas. Okay, so in the Kodavas, Jenukurubas, Malaykurias, these are all the tribal people. They are living in the Kodagu district. Okay, what is that? Jenukuruba, Malaykuriya, and Kodavas. These are all the tribal people. They are living in the Kodagu district. Apart from that, Kodagu, we can see that every year there is a festival that is called Huttari Habba. What is that? Huttari Habba or Huttari festivals. Okay, so that is a famous Habba. Then another thing is in the Kodagu and Madikeri near what else are there? Madikeri and the Kudle Namake Nenapagodo, especially Kodagu Nenapagodeno soldiers. What is that? They were the first Karnataka soldiers. They were entered to our Indian defense, children. Who are that? General Kariyappa. What is that? General Kariyappa. He was the first person. He achieved means he was worked as a general in the army. Okay, and marshal in the air force ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಷಲ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಮಾರ್ಷಲ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು. ಅವರು ಉಳಿದವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಷಲ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ what is that? He achieved that. Okay, achieved the post, and there he was the first Kannadiga entered the army or defense. Okay, so that was the famous thing. Then another thing is in this division, R.K. Narayana, B.M. Shrikantayya, Pitilu Chaudayya, Doreswamy Iyengar, these were the Gopal Krishna Adiga. So these were the famous literaturalist, musicians, and comedian. Comedian means what do you call that? Comedy art anta kartare. R.K. Narayana alva. So avರನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅವರು yes, Manasa. You know what ma? Anything? Somebody said something? Yes. And another thing is, children, R.K. Narayan, he was a famous English novelist. English ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನಾವೆಲಿಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, who are that? R.K. Narayan. Then B.M. Shrikantayya and Gopal Krishna Adiga, they were the Kannada literaturalist. Okay, then ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಏನ್ ಬರೀತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಕಾರ್ಟೂನ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್. ಯಾರು ಕಾರ್ಟೂನ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್? R.K. Narayan. Then Devraj Aras, he was the minister of Mysore state. Okay, so or Karnataka state, he was ruled ಅಂದ್ರೆ as a chief minister. Devraj Arasru chief minister ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕನ ರೂಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, then Hassan district, one more it is there in the, he was belonged to Hassan district. Who was the prime minister? Deve Gowda. Actually Deve Gowda, he belongs to Hassan. Okay, so ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಸನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳೆದಂತವ್ರು. Okay, ಯಾರು? Deve Gowda. So that was a famous. And another thing is, children, in the Hassan, what is that? Shravanabelagola Betta. What is that? It is 58 feet height, that Gommateshwara statue. Okay, then next, what else are there? Nothing is there. Yes or not? So today what you have to do, children, another thing is, one thing I have forgotten to tell you, children, in the Mysore division, especially Udupi, Dakshin Kannada and Kodagu, we can see the betel leaves. Yes or not? Betel leaves andre enu? ಕವಳ ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಲ್ವಾ, ಎಲೆ ಅಡಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ? betel leaves. Okay, pepper also they are growing, but betel leaves also they are growing and selling, children, in our India. Then where there is a coastal part, I already said that this is a coastal part, alva, where it is Udupi and Dakshin Kannada. These two is the coastal part. So there agriculture as well as the fishing activities are more, children. Understood? And there is a port also, because this port is connecting to go to other countries. Okay, other countries as well as the other part of the state in our India. Okay, that is Malpe beach anta karitare, alli enanta karitare, Malpe anta karitare. So then Bajpe, there is a port. Okay, so through that port they are going, children. Understood? Yes. So today you have to do the what work you have to do, children, today? Mysore division, all the 8 districts, you have to read the lesson one by one and understand it. Okay, so take a pencil while reading. Where there is an important thing, please underline it. What I'm saying, getting? Yes? Are you getting?
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji.
Yes,
Okay, so
Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Yes. Another thing is, children, in the Mysore division, what else are famous? Have you seen that? There is a Saint Basilica Church, Palace, Brindavan, Chamundi Hills, Zoo. Yes or not?
Mataji.
And sandalwood factories are there. Okay. Then Mysore silk industries are there. Soap factories, incense sticks, they are making, manufacturing there. Mint ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಯಿನ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ದುಡ್ಡು, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಮಷಿನ್ ಕೂಡ ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾ ಹಾ ಹೌದು. ಆ ಬೃಂದಾವನ ಬೇರೆ, ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನ್ ಬೃಂದಾವನ ಬೇರೆ. ಓಕೆ, KRS ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹತ್ರಕ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಂದ ನೀರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹರಿದು ಹೋಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಸೈಡು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರನ್ನ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ KRS ಬೃಂದಾವನನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಯಾರು? ಸರ್ ಎಂ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಆ KRS ಬೃಂದಾವನ, ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಸಂಡೇ they are leaving the people, those who are the tourist people, they can see here musical fountain in the KRS Brindavan. Okay, so that is also called Brindavan. ನೀವು ಹೇಳೋದು ಮಥುರಾ ಬೃಂದಾವನ.
ಶುಕವನ.
ಯಾ, ಮಥುರಾ ಬೃಂದಾವನ ಬೇರೆ. Okay, yes, there is a famous freedom fighters also is there. Why? Because during the time of 1956 Karnataka integration movement was started. Okay, during the time of 1956, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಹರಿದು ಹಂಚಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತಂತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಫೈಟರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಐ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸೈಡ್ ದಟ್. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು? ಇನ್ ದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ಸೈಡ್ ದಟ್ ನಿಜಲಿಂಗಪ್ಪ and KC Reddy, Kengal Hanumantaya, isn't it? Like that here also some people, they have dedicated themselves because of they are struggling, they are means through their works, social works, they are defeating with the British people also. For example, in the Mangaluru region, Kudamal Ramachandra Rao, he was a famous, because of the untouchability, he was struggled, children. Okay, andre he wanted to remove the untouchability and has given the education for the untouchable women or the girls. Okay, then so many Harijanas was there, for them they were giving the midday meals, means lunch. Okay, Tagaduru Ramachandra Rao, Kodumal Ranganao, Karnad Sadashiv Rao and Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay, these were the famous freedom fighters during the time of British period. So they were struggled and dedicated themselves for us. Is it clear? So which health center it is indicating in Mysore division? Rural sub health centers. What is that? Rural sub health center. Apart from the child and the maternity mortality rates, it is indicating the health also. Okay, so next one is Mysore University, Manasa Gangotri University and Sutturu Matha and Mangaluru University. It was the famous education center, children. Understood? It was the famous education center. Yes, I wanted to show you which are the animals living in the Mysore division, children. Okay, I already said that. What is that? Mysuru division. You see the palace, children. Okay. Yes, can you observe? Palace ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? This is called
Yes,
Mysuru.
Mataji.
Okay. So this is at the night time. Okay. Next. Yeah. This is the daytime. What you are saying? This is the daytime palace. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೇಗ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಡೀ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲೂ ಲೈಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಚಂದ ಕಾಣಿಸತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಲೈಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಟ್ಟಾಗ. ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದರ್ಬಾರ್ ಹಾಲ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ ಅದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ರೂಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು
ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಜಿ.
ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಂತಲ್ಲ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಓಕೆ. ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಅವ್ರ ಕೆತ್ತನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ವಾಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ Ranganatittu bird sanctuary, children, because of lots of birds, Siberian crane ante, falcon ante, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಗಳು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಇಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. and means another country birds they will come to during the time of winter season in ರಂಗನತಿಟ್ಟು. ಓಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಂಟರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮರಿಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. So, because of protecting the birds, our government they were established the Ranganatittu bird sanctuary. Okay, seeing ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yes, Mataji.
Elephant ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So where everything is there, isn't it or not? So this is wildlife sanctuaries, Bandipur, Bhadra and Nagarhole. We can see this wildlife sanctuaries, children. Okay. Any doubt in this lesson, children?
No, Mataji.
No, Mataji.
No, Mataji.
So thank you. Class.
Thank you, Mataji.
Let us.
Okay, Mataji.
No, Mataji.